Hello and welcome to the opening day of Festival Toutatis at Parc Asterix. In this little video we're going to check out the new area and get on the brand new Intamin multi-launch coaster just going over the top hat called Toutatis. I'm very excited. Here we go, entering the new area for this year, Festival Toutatis, where we know we've got Nebulas and the massive Intamin multi-launch coaster. You just see the top hat there. The detail in this area is stunning, man. Everything from the rockwork, the floor, check the themed flooring out, Jack. And check this out. Feels like a festival, definitely festival vibes. We've got a new Nebulas up there. And there's the spike for Toutatis. So this is an Intamin multi-launch coaster, Intamin Blitz. So same manufacturer as Taran. You all know how much I love Taran at Phantasialand, but this is definitely a little bit different. So it will be my first ever swing launch, so the train launches forward up the spike, then launches backwards again, and then launches forward again before it makes its way over that top hat. So that was the first launch it's just done. Now it's going to go back, launch backwards, which looks mental, and then it's going to come back again. Now it's been up the spike, which I can't quite get on camera yet, and come back over. So that's 3 launches just at this point. It also launches out of the station, which you'll see on the POV because we are allowed to take you on ride on everything here at Parc Asterix. An hour and 10 into the queue and we're heading into the station. Get these lights out. Everything is themed incredibly well. Oh my god, this is mad. That all looks like it's been carved. Oh, it's actually like, it feels like stone. That's not fiberglass, that's mad. This whole place is real rock. And this is real carving. That's mad. Right, we're going to try and get a front row. Yeah, we're in the front row queue. Let's do this. Station is looking good. Love the lighting.
Yeah, you can sit like that.
So we're in the front row queue, which from the end of this little corridor is 30 minutes extra. So we've just got to go over this bridge and down, and our first ever ride is going to be on the front row, which I'm excited about. Is it good? It's getting good reviews, I'm excited now. Thank you. Should I, mate? Thank you. Merci. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my god! Let's go! Oh my god! god, that was so good.
That was so good.
Oh my god.
Time machine that was.
That was even better than I expected.
Oh.
I'm crying. Oh my god. That first section was mental. Yeah. Oh my god. That thing is insane. So I have watched a lot of POVs on it, but POVs do not do justice for what that does. Like the only ride I can remember coming off like feeling shaky and out of breath was Ride to Happiness, and this gives me the same vibe. So you drop out of the station into the launch, which is whippier than you expect. Straight away you're out of the seat, hitting airtime. And then before you know it, you're into the second launch section, which is just behind me here. You're going forward up that top hat, then you're going back through the second launch up the spike. That second launch, backwards, oh my god. Like, I just wasn't ready for it. It is an absolute beauty of a roller coaster. I would straight away rate that higher than Fly and Conda, which is probably its nearest in terms of layout roller coaster. Yeah, this is going to be very high on my list. I need to take a minute, take a breath, and then I'll give you my full thoughts. So from that ride, the queue line is brilliant. It snakes around. There's no cattle pens at all. You're following parts of the track. You've got inversions going over your head. The anticipation, the excitement just builds and builds and builds from the queue line. The station's amazing. They've got lights. The lights chase you out down the first launch. I'm already thinking like night rides would be incredible on it. Yeah, and then the ride itself it's just blowing me away. Just want to re-ride that all day, to be honest. It's really re-rideable. It's really smooth. It's really comfortable. It's all very floaty. There's not a lot of punches in it, which is nice. It's quite a nice, relaxed coaster to ride. I could happily do that 10 times in a row. Love it. So this is the first launch out of the station. Can't see an awful lot. You'll get an idea of how powerful it is. You literally drop out of the station as well, straight into the launch, which makes it even more intense.
I don't know what to do with that.
So here's the switch track. The train's on its way, and as you'll see in a minute, it'll come around this corner into the second launch and top hat.
It's coming.
Here we go. Second launch, track switch. It literally has seconds to change before it rolls back into the second launch. And straight up the spike. Oh, it's so mad. And then the switch track will revert back literally a few seconds after it's passed through. And that whole process takes about 35 seconds. So that brings us to the end of the day here at Parc Asterix, and the end of this little review video of Toutatis. It is a stunning coaster. I kind of said everything I need to say really. It's got everything I like in a coaster. It's smooth, it's fast, the launches are intense, forward and backwards. I've never done an intense backwards launch before. The air time's really floaty. It's flinging you from side to side. Yeah, I would 100% recommend like getting out here and giving this a go. It's not even a difficult park to get to. So I'm going to do a full vlog on Parc Asterix. We're here for 2 days, so that'll be up on the channel soon. That'll include all the like travel stuff and how we got here and where we stayed. So if you're thinking of coming, that might help you out. So subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see that. Hopefully it'll be out within the next like week or two. But for now, thank you very much for watching this little review vlog of Toutatis, and I'll hopefully see you in the full-on vlog. Thanks for watching.